Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Slack notification on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on notifications. Now scroll through the list of the apps and select Slack. Once you are on the Slack notifications setting page, simply turn off the toggle next to allow notifications. As soon as you turn this option off, Slack notification will be completely disabled on your iPhone and you won't receive any alerts, sounds or banners from the app. If you if you ever want to start receiving Slack notifications again, just come back to the page and turn allow notifications back on. And that's how you can turn off Slack notifications on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.